Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4788. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2015. It is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent. We have the left tail light, does have a small little scuff on the top of it. EGR aftermarket hard lid with all fittings. Right rear door, 2 small dents, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and black cloth interior, vinyl centre console lid, manual type shifter, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.